Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 3. Book 'em, Dogman. One day, Petey sat in his jail cell feeling sad. Rats! Every time I have an evil plan, Dogman always outsmarts me. How come he's so darn smart? So Petey decided to find out. That day in the jail yard, Petey got an escape plan. He sat on the seesaw. Yo, Big Jim, come over and seesaw with me. Okay. Whee! So long, suckers! I'm free! Now to find out what makes Dogman so smart. So Petey sneaked to Dogman's house. He's reading. Petey used the smartometer to check. Dogman was getting smarter by the minute. So, reading makes you smart, eh? Then I must destroy all books. 1 week later, Eureka! Behold, I just invented the War Begone 2000. He aimed it at a book. It worked! No more words! Petey ran around zapping everything in sight. Ha ha! Petey zapped all the books in the city. Hey, all the books are blank! Ha ha! Then he zapped all the books in the country. Us 2, us 3. Then Petey got in an airplane and zapped all the books in the whole world. Teehee! Before too long...
Rats! All the books on Earth are blank! Aw man, what was us?
Soon, everybody forgot about reading.
Oh well, whatever.
And people started getting really dumb.
Die! Super die!
2 weeks later, awesome! The world is super dumb. Now's my chance to have some fun. Petey walked to the fancy car lot. Hey, Bub, give me a car. My cat had 11 puppies. Okay. I'm just gonna take that one over there. My mommy is 5 years old. So long, sucker. Bye-bye, Froggy. The same thing happened at the bank. Thanks for the free money.
My sister getting married.
And the electronics store. Thanks for the free TV.
This apple tastes funny.
And so, that was too easy. Meanwhile, the police were all busy doing dumb stuff too. Dave! What? Somebody pooped in your office. Why are you holding it in your hand? Because I didn't want to step in it. Good thinking. We must solve this terrible crime. I'll put my best man on it. Give me Dogman. Soon, Dogman came running. Dogman, go find out who pooped in my office. Dogman will solve this crime. Awesome! High five! Hey, what stinks in here? I have no idea. Dogman was pretty dumb because he didn't read no more. But he tried to solve the crime anyway. First, he questioned the chair. Then, he gave a lie detector test to some pee. He worked with a sketch artist. And he even went on a stakeout. But he still couldn't solve the crime. Meanwhile, Petey was having trouble of his own. He couldn't enjoy his new TV because the shows were so dumb. Welcome to the 13 o'clock news. Our top story, they go boom boom in my panties. He couldn't enjoy his new car because his mechanics were so dumb. But you told us to fill up with gas. He couldn't even enjoy his secret lab no more. Hey! Because his butler was so dumb. I told you to take this garbage out last week. I did. I took it out to the movies. Then I took it out to a nice romantic dinner. Then I took it out to the amusement park. Get out! But we're in love. It was no fun being smarter than everybody else. Everywhere Petey went, dumb stuff happened. I'll take 12 donuts, please.
Boy, welcome to Trippin'.
Hi. 12 donuts, please.
Can I take your order?
Yeah, 12 donuts, please.
Sorry, we only sell them by the dozen.
Okay, I'll take a dozen then.
Sorry, we don't have a dozen. We only have 16.
Fine, give me 16 then.
16 bagels.
No, wait, I want donuts, not bagels.
Jeez, make up your mind. You want mustard on those?
Mustard? What for?
For your bagels.
I don't want bagels. I don't want mustard. I just want donuts. Donuts.
Okay, you don't have to yell. I'm not an idiot. I'm an intelligent person. distracting me.
Sorry.
That's better. There's your bagels, lady.
Ah! Hey, buddy, can you help me? I haven't eaten in 3 days. I'm starving.
Here, have some bagels.
No thanks. I don't like bagels.
Ah! I can't take it anymore! If one more something happens, I'm gonna...
Hey, look! That's a giraffe who gave us this cool car. Oh, yeah. Hey, you want his car? Sure.
Petey started to get depressed. He went to a secret library, which contained the only books left on Earth. Petey read and got smarter, while the rest of the world got dumber
Duh, I just sold my bike. Why?
and dumber.
So I can buy this new bike lock. Cool.
2 weeks later, Petey was not doing well. His lab was a mess, his toenails were long, and he hadn't had a bath in ages. Boy, did Petey stink. Meanwhile, Dogman was still trying to find out who pooped in the chief's office. His main suspect was an apple tree. Suddenly, Dogman smelled something. Dogman followed the cat smell to Petey's hideout. He went inside and found Petey's secret stash of books. Dogman started to read. Dogman read all night long and got smarter and smarter. The next morning, Dogman had a plan. He brought Petey's books to the school and gave them to the kids. Read, Darnia, read. The kids read and read, and then,
Hooray! We're smart again!
soon, Petey woke up to a shock. My books! Petey followed the trail of books. It led to the school. Then, the recess bell rang. Whoa! Oh no! I gotta get those books! Fliporamas. Ready? The swing set smacker. Ow! 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 Oh no! There's another book by the seesaw. Fliporama. Ready? The seesaw smoosher. Oh! 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 Pain! Oh no! There's another book by the Spring Riders. Ready? Spring Break. So Petey got captured. Rats! Dogman reversed the War Begone 2000, and soon, all the books on Earth got zapped back to normal.
Hooray for Dogman!
Epilogue. The next day, Dogman found a security camera video. They all watched it together. Soon, they discovered who pooped in the chief's office.